DALN stock analysis and DALN stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Look, I'm the only guy in this space who's done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years. I have seen what's printing and what is not, especially looking at Dallasnews. 200% up is absolutely crazy. And I kind of get it, you know, I kind of get it. Just gapped up out of freaking nowhere. Personally speaking, with these sorts of gaps, I'm just not gonna immediately start doing anything really. I mean, ideally the price corrects a bit lower. I mean, this could environments like this just push me away. Like, I'm not gonna immediately start trading this, but the idea is if there's pull downs and some sort of a shift, that's when I shoot. If it doesn't quite happen, then bro, then I'm not buying, you know, straight up. So all I'm doing in the meantime here is just waiting for rules. You know, having done 43,000 videos, I have personally seen what's printing me money. Now, if you want my exact formula and plus my picks plus Discord, click all the first link in the description. It's absolutely risk-free. I'll see you in the next one.